Last class we studied about how to computation for the first for any given grammar to compute your predictive parsing. For the predictive parsing, you have to check the given grammar is left recursion and given grammar is left factoring. After all removing, we are applying for first and follow function. Then we are going for construction of parsing. Let me go for construction of parsing. The screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then this slide is very important. All of you take down for this. See, then what is the rules for computation for the follow? See, the computation that follows, we have a three rules. What the first rule says, if A is a start symbol, then follow of A. See, now you have to look about if the grammar should be like E derives T E dash and then T derives plus E, something should be there, assume. So then no need to look for left hand side of the grammar for the production. You have to visit to compute for the follows. You should be look after the arrow mark. After the arrow mark, we have a non-terminal. For those non-terminal, we have to look into what is the symbol for the follow of those things. The first, you have to check for what is the first of E. After the arrow mark, what is the immediate symbol that will be considered for first. Now we are checking for the follow sets. The follow set after the arrow mark, I have to find out the non-terminal for the E. What is the follow of E? Okay, this is you have to check after the arrow mark, the follow of E. What is the first symbol for that? Follow of E after the arrow mark, what I am getting? A is getting. Then you have to write the follow of E is equal to A. See, don't take for the left hand side, otherwise you have to visit for the right hand side. You have to look follow of that non-terminal E, that is for A. You should be right like this. Okay, this way you have to check your follow sets. This is what I am telling. This is the second rule. See, if any of the grammar, I have a grammar with E derives T E dash, T derives plus E A. So any of the production which is a start symbol, the start symbol in my program is E, then follow of E. If it is start symbol, always you have to write the compulsory or the rule number one is you have to insert dollar to the follow set. Whichever is the start production of the grammar, for the start production, you have to add dollar to those non-terminal. That is your first rule says in the follow sets. If A is a start symbol, then follow of A as dollar. Copy down. If A is a start symbol, then follow of A as a dollar. See, this is my example grammar. S derived I capital C T S or A. See, I have only one production. Assume then follow of S. Then follow of S is equal to dollar. I am writing for follow of S is equal to dollar. Okay, clear? Then I move on to the second step. The second rule of your follow set is the if there is a grammar A derives alpha B beta. A derives alpha B beta and beta is not epsilon. See, beta is not epsilon. You take the conditions, the second condition. Have a production A derives alpha B beta and beta is not equal to epsilon. Like it is not a null character. Then what is the follow of B? I am computing for follow of B. Because B is a non-terminal. For all the non-terminal, you have to compute follow. Then what is follow of B? Then everything in first of beta, everything in first of beta is in follow of B excluding epsilon. Okay, right? If there is a grammar A derives alpha B beta and beta not equal to epsilon, beta not equal to epsilon, then everything in first of beta, everything in first of beta is in follow of B excluding epsilon. Keep it in mind. In follow set, never come epsilon. If you have a epsilon, then you have to apply the next rules to be applied, what should be added for the epsilon. See, I am taking the grammar production too, that here there is no epsilon for the condition. See, I am taking that first rule. E derives T E dash. Assume E derives T E dash. I want to find out what is follow of T. This is the look like a second rule. E derives T E dash. I have to find out what is follow of T. What is follow of T now? This is not an epsilon. Then this could look like a beta. It is not an epsilon. If it is not an epsilon, you have to take first of E dash. First of E dash. You already computed how to find out the first of E dash for the grammar. Then whatever should be there in the first of E dash in these flower bracket, everything should be copied into follow of T. If it case the first of E dash epsilon, don't copy epsilon into follow of T. That is your second rule. If it is epsilon, don't take. If it is epsilon, either you can visit the next symbol. Either if it is E dash of epsilon, you can copy A. Nothing should be there. Then after E dash, nothing should be there. Then you have to go back to your third rule. You see the third rule. The third rule said, if it is epsilon, I am computing for follow of E dash, nothing should be there. You should be go head of the production of follow sets. Don't confuse. I will do problems. Then let me get an idea about how to do it. Can copied on the third rule. If there is a grammar rule, A derives AB. If there is a grammar rule, A derives alpha into AB. You see it. After B, nothing should be there. That is an empty. A derives alpha B. Or I have another type. A derives alpha B beta. The second type. Where first of B has a epsilon. Where first of B has a epsilon. Then everything in first of beta, sorry. First of beta as an epsilon. First of beta as epsilon. Then everything in follow of A. If there is a grammar rule, A derives alpha B or A derives alpha B beta, where first of beta has a epsilon, then everything in follow of A is in follow of B. Everything in follow of A is in follow of B. I can let you take that example. So just you observe now. I have to find out what is the follow of A. What is the follow of A? Is there anything follow of A? It should look like this one. Nothing should be there. It is an epsilon. Follow of A should be epsilon. Then how to find out follow of A? If nothing should be there in front of follow of A, then you have to take whatever the follow set for the head of the production. Head of the production is yes. Then you have to include follow set of yes into follow set of A. When finding for the follow set of that production have a empty, then you have to see your follow set of yes. Okay, these are three rules. Carefully you have to write for this. It is carries in the exam at 3 to 4 marks. Computation for the first and follow set rules for the 6 marks question. Compulsory will get one question for this. Write the rules for computation for first and follow. So if copied on that formulas, then I will move on to problem queries. How to solve for the problems. Okay. Let me take the first problem. In your classwork, you take your third problem. See, because of the same order I will go that. In the classwork, I gave a third problem as your textbook problem. E derives E plus T R T derived T star F or F derives open parenthesis RERID. The same way is there in your classwork. Okay. See this one, you already computed left recursion and left factoring. After computing, I got the resultant grammar E derives T E dash derives plus T E dash or epsilon, T derives F T dash, T dash derives star F T dash or epsilon, then F derives open parenthesis E R I D. Okay, this is you already did. For this one, you already compute, you know how to compute for the first function. Okay, we learned from the previous classes how to compute for the first. Then just I will copy the same answer. Yes, you can also take for the previous classes. First of E is open and ID. First of E dash plus and epsilon. First of T open and ID. First of T dash star and epsilon. First of F open and ID. See, we are reached step number 3. Now we are going for the step number 4 of computation for follow for each non-terminal. I have to compute for the same set of non-terminal for E, E dash, T, T dash, F. How many non-terminal? We have a 5 non-terminal. I have to find out follow set of E, follow set of E dash, follow set for T, follow set for T dash, follow set for F. Okay, now in this today's class we learned about how to find out for the follow set. Okay, let me tell me which one is your start production in my grammar. As per the rule says, rule number 1. The rule number 1 says the start production you have to insert dollar as a follow set. Which is start production? The start production for the grammar is E. Is it right? E. Because of that E, I have to insert dollar as a first symbol in the follow sets. Is it clear? Any doubt? After that, you have to put comma. Because you have any other follow set of E, I had to find out in the given grammar. See, is it okay? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, okay, thank you. See, the first rule is over because the first is E is your first symbol. I put dollar. See, after that, don't see before your arrow mark. You have to see after the arrow mark for every production where we get E. You have to search for E. You have to search for E in the first production. So the first production you have E. You are searching for capital E. Is there or not in the first production? Capital E is there? Non-terminal. No. Let me go for the second production. Check in both the alternatives. Capital E is there?
No, ma'am.
In here? Capital E have only epsilon production. Next rule, FT dash. Capital E?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next production. Capital E. Anywhere. Don't think about the place. You will get an epsilon.
No,
E, capital E. Here?
No, ma'am.
No. Let me go for this production. Capital E.
Is there? Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is an in front of capital E? You have to take follow of E. What is the follow of E now? Is of the type A derives alpha, B, beta. Okay. The B is pointing to E. What is the follow of B? B is your epsilon, so close parenthesis. Then you can include close parenthesis. You have to apply first of beta for this. For the first of beta for the open parenthesis, you will get beta only. That is for, so you will get only one production. Follow of E, you have to search the follow of E is, I'm get only the terminal. The follow of E should be taken as close parenthesis. I included that. Then follow of E is over. Let me go for the next set. Follow of E dash. What is an follow of E dash? What is the follow of E dash? Then you have to look at your right hand side. See, you have a E dash is there. I have to find out the second one is E dash. For these E dash, I have to look at for the right hand side of your production. See, I got the first one is E dash. What is there in the E dash here? Follow of E dash. Is there anything is there?
No,
It will
ma'am.
look
No,
like
ma'am.
epsilon. Yeah.
Yes,
What your
ma'am.
third rule says? It is A derives alpha B. I am finding for follow of B. Then you have to add whatever you are finding follow set of E, head of the production. So you have to write follow of E dash should be follow of E. Follow of E dash should be what? Follow of, is it right? Follow of E dash should be what?
Follow of E, ma'am.
Follow of E. What is the follow of E?
Dollar and closing parenthesis.
Dollar and closing parenthesis. E derives, follow of E derives T E dash derives plus T E dash. This is correct, right? Okay. Now check any other is there follow of E dash other than that place.
Yes, ma'am.
Where it is there follow of E dash.
And second production.
Second production you have E dash, but what is there? Epsilon production. If it is epsilon, we have to get only E dash only. See E dash, I am computing follow of E dash only, then I am not getting for that E dash. Then any other production? See, we are in E dash in this one, but follow of E dash is epsilon. Then epsilon say it should be include follow of E dash only. I am computing follow of E dash only. That answer for this is it is same as for the follow of E only. Then you can end up your follow of E dash because you will never get follow of E dash. The third production is FT dash. Fourth production is also not getting E dash, and last production is also you are not getting E dash production. Is it right? Any doubt? Let me go for follow of T. What is follow of T? Carefully observe for the follow of T now. See, now we have to find out follow of T. Okay, let me check for follow of T. What is your follow of T? Where its follow of T is there? Follow of T. See, follow of T is first production I have. What is the follow of T?
E dash.
See, E dash is a non-terminal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then you
ma'am.
have to apply second rule. A derives alpha, B beta. When I am finding out for follow of T, I got this one, but beta is a non-terminal. Then you have to find out first of E dash. What is the first of E dash? Copy down all first of E dash into follow of T. I am computing follow of T. Follow of T, I have a E dash. E dash is a non-terminal. Because of non-terminal, you can add all first set of E dash. Add first set of E dash into follow of T. What is the first set of E dash?
Plus and
Plus and epsilon. What your rule says? Never come epsilon in follow set. Your rule number 2 says if you have not equal to epsilon. If you have epsilon, assume the next condition. I have epsilon, right? The first set have epsilon. Except epsilon, I copied on everything. I have only plus, I copied on plus. Because of epsilon, what should be there? I am computing follow of T. The E dash have plus and epsilon. I copy plus because of epsilon. Because of epsilon, that means follow of t is nothing. It's look like a rule number 3. Rule number 3, the follow of t is nothing. If it is nothing, it should be copied on head of the production of that grammar. What is the head of the production?
E, ma'am.
E. What is the E follow set?
Dollar and closing
And
parenthesis.
close. See, I will do so many problems. Don't worry. Just you can understand the first one. Plus dollar and close parenthesis. Why I am writing these two? Because the follow T have epsilon. If it is epsilon, as per the rule number 3, it says have to look at the head of the production of the grammar. Head of the production of the grammar is capital E. The capital E follow sets are dollar and close. Then you have to search anywhere in follow set of T. See, I got one more in the second line T. What is a follow set of in front? What is there? The first symbol is
E dash
capital
only, ma'am.
E dash. E dash is already copied, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus I already copied. Then have a epsilon. If you're replacing epsilon, what you get it now? Follow set of E dash. E dash derives plus T. E dash are epsilon. See, now I'm computing follow of T. Follow of T is the non-terminal. Then I'm copied on everything into follow set. Because of epsilon, I'm visiting to follow of E dash. What is their follow of E dash?
Same.
Same
Dollar
thing.
and
I already copied, no? No need to
yes,
copy
ma'am.
once again. Dollar and close bracket is close. Then go for the third production. Is there any T? F T dash. Is there any T?
No, ma'am.
No. Next fourth production T.
No, ma'am.
Fifth production.
No, ma'am.
Can I end here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Plus dollar and close parenthesis. Then can end here plus dollar close parenthesis. Okay, let me go for follow set T dash. What is T dash? You can search now wherever T dash should be there. Where is T dash?
Third production.
Yes, third production, you have a T dash. This is T E dash. This is E dash derives plus T E dash. T derives F T dash. T dash derives star F T dash epsilon and this one. Okay, let me check for the third production. I am computing first of follow of T dash. What is the follow of T dash? See, we are in this position. Follow of T dash. Follow of T dash. What is
Epsilon.
this? Epsilon. If it is epsilon, what should we do? Take the
Follow of T.
what is the
Follow
follow of T? What is the follow of T? Plus
Dollar.
dollar
dollar and closing
close.
parenthesis.
Close. Then check anywhere is there follow of T dash. Second, fourth production. Fourth production follow of T dash what?
Same, ma'am.
Epsilon.
Epsilon.
Epsilon. Then what should be right? Follow of T dash. I am doing follow of T dash only, no? Nothing should be do it. In the last production is there? Last production? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can I end here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let me go for the last one. Follow of F. Check follow of F in the first production. Follow of F here.
No, ma'am.
No. Second line.
No, ma'am.
Third one.
Third one is there, ma'am.
Yes. What is there? Follow of F in front of F. Right hand side. Don't
T
go for
dash.
left hand side. T dash. T dash is non-terminal or terminal.
Non-terminal, ma'am.
If it is non-terminal, just go to visit your
First of T dash.
first of T dash. What is your first of T dash?
Star and epsilon, ma'am.
Can you copy down epsilon into my follow sets?
No, ma'am.
No, don't copy. Because of epsilon, what happens now? The symbol gone. What is there in front of follow of F? Nothing. If it is nothing, what should be copied on? Head of the production of follow set of T. What is the head of the production? F derives T dash. T dash have epsilon. If it is epsilon, Then I am move on to head of production of this one. What is the head of production is? T. Can
T,
you
ma'am.
copy down T follow sets?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me anyone?
Plus dollar and closing parenthesis.
Okay, the third production is over. Let you come for the fourth production. F is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is there in front of F?
Same T dash, ma'am.
T dash. You already copied on T dash?
Yes, ma'am. No need to
Sorry,
copy.
I already copied on. Then it is epsilon. If it is epsilon, visit your, because after epsilon nothing should be. If it is, so for example, if your A is there, directly copy A. Don't go for head of the production. But nothing should be there, right? Because of that, you are going to see head of the production. What is your head of the production? T
T
dash.
dash, ma'am.
T dash copy ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು plus dollar close
Yes,
parenthesis. I am
ma'am.
copied on all the things plus dollar and close parenthesis. Let me go for the last one. Is there in the last one? Open E, close ID. Is there F?
No, ma'am.
No. No. Then can I end with my follow set of F? Can you take down now? What is the follow set of E is dollar and close. Follow set of E dash is dollar and close. Follow
Ma'am,
set of
explain once again, ma'am, this one.
yeah, I will do it. Just you copy it and I will rub it. I will come back again. Same problem. I will do it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let me state the same problem. I will go it. E derives E dash derives plus T E dash or epsilon. E derives T derives star F T dash T dash derives okay, I need an answer first. First side. I will ask somebody to tell me how to complete first. Okay. Nikita, 74.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is the first chart, please?
First of is opening parenthesis and ID.
See, first of E is what? First of T. What is the first of T is? First of F. What is the first of F? See, all of you
Open parenthesis.
left hand side. You don't confuse. When you compute it for the first, you are seeing the left hand side of your non-terminal. After the arrow mark, what you are getting? I am copied over like one. Open parenthesis and ID. Because the first of F is again you have one more symbol, first of ID. Okay, what is first of E dash, Nikita?
First of E dash is plus and epsilon, ma'am.
Okay. What is first of T?
Opening parenthesis and ID.
T dash?
Star and epsilon.
Yep.
F is again opening parenthesis and ID, ma'am.
Okay. To stay in line, Nikita, that is start for the follow set. We have to find out the follow set of what?
Follow of E, ma'am.
Follow set of all the non-terminal we have to find. What is the first one?
Follow of E.
Find E. See, which one is the start production? Alice, which one is the start production?
E, ma'am.
E is my start production. The E is my start production. What is the first rule say?
First we have to add dollar.
For start production, the first rule says add dollar to your first production. As per the first rule, I am adding dollar to E production. After that, you have to look into right side of your production. So this is your right side. Is it right? You have to search for capital E. So which line you will get capital E? Quick answer. Which line you will get capital E? In this
Next
only the last line only have a capital E. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it right? Yeah. What is there capital E in front? The first symbol. After E, what is the first symbol? You take that one. That's all. Capital E. What is the first symbol?
Closing bracket.
Likita, what is
Close.
their first symbol? Close
Closing
parenthesis.
bracket.
Is it terminal or a non-terminal?
Terminal.
Terminal. Is it right? If it is non-terminal, what is the next action? Because in the follow set also non-terminals never come. Always first set and follow set have only the terminal symbol. Is it right? Because
Yes,
of
ma'am.
that, if it is non-terminal, you have to look onto first set. You have to look at your first set. But sir, as of I'm finding out follow set of E, the follow set of E, what you getting? Likit, what is the very first follow set of E now?
Opening parenthesis and ID.
Opening parenthesis ಇದೆಯಾ? Follow ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳು ನಂಗೆ ಸಾಕು. Follow
Closing
set I'm finding
parenthesis.
for E. What is the first symbol of follow set of E?
Closing parenthesis.
ID ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ID
No,
ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ?
ma'am. No.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡೌಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ID ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳು.
ಬೇಡ.
ಬೇಡ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡಿಡ್.
Yes.
ಓಕೆ, ಲಿಖಿತಾ, ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there shall I close your follow set E or should we add any more terms?
Close.
You get
ma'am.
only one E now. Shall I close that?
Yes, ma'am.
Then nothing should be there here. I will close the follow set E. Let's we go for the next one. Follow set of, what is the second one?
E dash.
E dash. Okay na? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Likita E dash ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಹುಡುಕಿ. Search
First
for E dash.
E determines T E dash. First line.
ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ E dash. See, ಇದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ? What is there in front of E dash?
Epsilon.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. That is not your epsilon. Epsilon ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. What is your third rule says?
First of beta we have to add, ma'am.
If it is epsilon, then I can't possible to apply our second rule. Then you have to go for your third rule. Third rule say you had to copy follow of E ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. What is the third rule says? Copy your follow
And,
of E.
follow.
What is your follow of E?
Dollar and closing parenthesis.
Likit, correcta? Likit,
Yes, ma'am.
ಇವಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ E dash. E dash ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಸಿಲಾನ್.
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನೋ ಎಪ್ಸಲಾನ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾರು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೋತಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪಕ್ಕ ಓಪನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಥೆಸಿಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು ಹೆಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇ ಹೆಡ್. ಇದು ಫಾಲೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಓಕೆ.
ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ E dash ಇದೆಯಾ? ಲಿಖಿತ್, ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ E dash ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am. Second, ma'am.
ಏನಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ E dash?
Nothing. It is an epsilon.
ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು?
So I have to go back to E dash, then copy follow of E dash.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ E dash ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
ಮತ್ತೇನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಲಿಖಿತಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I end for E dash?
Yes, ma'am.
ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ E dash ಇದೆಯಾ ಹುಡುಕಿ ಬೇಗ.
No, ma'am.
No. Can you go for the next step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the next step, Likita?
Follow of T, ma'am.
Follow of T. Okay. What is follow of T now?
First, E determines T E dash. It is there, ma'am. So you have to take.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಬೇಡ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್. Okay. I will remove that part. Okay. ಇವಾಗ ಬನ್ನಿ. Okay. Likita, what is for follow of T?
Follow of T, we have to take first of E dash, ma'am.
ಲಿಖಿತ್, ಏನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ?
E dash ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅದು ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್?
ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್.
ಲಿಖಿತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಲಿಖಿತ, ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ E dash. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ E dash ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು?
Only dollar and closing symbol.
ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ E dash ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
Plus we have to copy, ma'am.
ಎಪ್ಸಲಾನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ ನಾನು?
No, ma'am.
ಯಾಕೆ? ಜನರಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಎಪ್ಸಲಾಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ follow sets ಅಂತ
Follow.
ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. That don't need to copy it. Epsilon in follow sets. ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಏನ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು? What is that other than that?
Follow of E, ma'am.
The follow sets I am computing T. T have plus and epsilon. I copy only plus. I have because of epsilon. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. I should be go for follow set of E. What is your follow set of E?
Dollar and closing parenthesis.
ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಲಿಖಿತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡಾಲರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ? I am doing follow of T. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ not only ಲಿಖಿತ್, please tell me those who are not understand. I will call that student only. I will explain it. Okay. See, follow of T, I don't know. Follow of T is E dash. E dash is a non-terminal. As per the Likita said, it's a non-terminal. It is non-terminal. I had to go first set of that. What is the first set of that? Plus and epsilon. As the rule says, don't copy epsilon, only copied on plus. Because of epsilon, I have to check any symbol is there in front of that. Nothing should be there. Then I have to go visiting for the head of the production of that. That is, I'm copied on E. That is E value is dollar and close. Search for anywhere in the T. Next line. Next line T ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಇದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ಏನಿದೆ
E
ಮಾ?
dash only.
E dash.
E
E dash
dash.
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
E dash ಮುಂದೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಪ್ಸಲಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಪ್ಸಲಾಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
You should not add, ma'am.
Then you should be go to follow of E dash. Follow of E dash ಏನಿದೆ?
Same,
Already
ma'am.
have copied.
Already you copied, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anywhere is the follow of T? Check the remaining 3 production. T ಇದೆಯಾ? T ಇದೆಯಾ?
ma'am.
No,
ಇಲ್ಲ
ma'am.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
No,
ಎಂಡ್
ma'am.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next follow of T dash. What is follow of T dash? ಈಗ ಹುಡುಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ follow of T dash ಅಂತ?
T determines F T dash, third line.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬರೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇವಾಗ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನೀಗ? T F derives T dash. I am doing about T dash, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? What is follow of T dash? What is follow of T dash?
Follow
Epsilon.
of T, ma'am.
Epsilon ಇದೆ. If it is epsilon, what to do?
Follow of T we have to add.
Because of epsilon, I have to go for head of the production. What is the head of the production?
T.
T ಏನೇನಿದೆ?
Opening parenthesis and
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಫಾಲೋ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಫಾಲೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ T dash you are computing. Follow test T dash is epsilon. Because of epsilon, I am going to follow set of T.
okay.
Follow set of T. What is the follow set of T? Plus dollar close. ಲಿಖಿತ ಇನ್ನೇನಾರ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
No,
Follow
ma'am.
set of T dash? No. Let me go for the fourth production. What is the follow set of T dash? ಮತ್ತೆ epsilon.
Epsilon.
Because of epsilon,
Go back to T dash.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಲಿಖಿತ ಇವಾಗ? T dash
T
ಫಸ್ಟ್
dash.
ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಫಾಲೋ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Follow.
ಫಾಲೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್
T dash.
T dash. ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು ಫಾಲೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ T dash ತಾನೆ?
ಹೌದು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅದು ಮುಗೀತದೆ.
Yes,
Plus
ma'am.
dollar close. Okay. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Follow set of F. Follow set of F. ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ F? ಹುಡುಕೋ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬೇಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ. Search from the beginning.
We have in the third row. T
Yeah.
determines F T dash.
ಈಗ F ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. F ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ?
T dash ಇದೆ.
T dash ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್?
Non terminal.
ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು?
First of T
ಈಗ
dash.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಫಾಲೋ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ T dash ಏನಿದೆ?
Star and epsilon. Epsilon
epsilon
very.
ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ? ಶಾಲೆ ಕಾಪಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
epsilon? No.
No.
Because of epsilon ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Go back to T. Head
Go
of
back to follow of
T.
follow of T. What is follow of T?
Plus dollar symbol closing parenthesis.
Less dollar and close parenthesis. Okay, search anywhere in the F other than third line.
We have in the fourth line. T
Fourth
dash
line, what happens? T dash. T dash is what?
not
Non-terminal. Non-terminal star you already copied. Because of epsilon, I have to go head of the production of T dash. What is the head of the production of T dash is? Plus dollar close
Close.
parenthesis. Same thing I coming, then it should be ended. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I will take simple problem. Don't worry now. You will come back to the next problem. As per your series only, you have a fourth problem. Very, very simple. You will not get any doubt. Yes, there is AAB, capital A derives CDEF. Okay. Okay. Now, '61, Rishik, Ritik. Okay, what is first of yes? First of A, you already calculated these things. Okay, let me come for the follow set. Okay, yaar because what is my follow set of yes? Still till 3 to 4 problems, I have not called anybody. Anyone can answer it. What is follow set of yes? After fourth problem, I will call back one by one. What is follow set of yes? Follow set of yes.
Dollar symbol.
Why it is putting dollar symbol? Because of start production. As the rule number first is, which one is the start production? I have to write dollar symbol. After dollar symbol, you have to search in the right hand side. Yes is there. Yes is there.
No, ma'am.
And only one production, I will end it. Then what do we find out? Follow set of capital A. What is your follow set of capital A? Just you search in the right hand side. What is the follow set of capital A?
B, ma'am.
Capital A ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮ್ ಕೆಲಸ. Capital A ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
B.
This is only your answer. First and follow set. Any doubt in these problems? Shall I go for the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will go for the next one more simple problem. As per your, you computed fifth problem. Yes, there is a. I write only the resulted questions, but you have already removed the left recursion and left factoring for the same problem. T derives. Yes, T dash. Okay, this is after removing left recursion. T dash and epsilon. Okay. What is first of S? First of S is A, arrow mark, open parenthesis. First of T, it is also same, A, arrow mark, open parenthesis. First of T dash is comma and epsilon. Okay, let me come for follow set. Anyone can tell me? Follow set of yes. Follow set of yes.
Dollar symbol, ma'am.
First step dollar ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. Then you have to search in the right hand side wherever you will get yes. First line yes is there? No. Let me go for the second step. What is there in the follow set of yes?
T dash.
T dash. It is a non-terminal. Because of non-terminal, I have to visit first of T dash. What is the first of T dash?
Comma, ma'am.
Comma. Then because I have a epsilon, then because of epsilon, then I can't able to copy. Is it right? I can't able to copy that epsilon. Then if you replacing T dash with epsilon, what happens? I had to
Go
copy
to follow of T.
follow of T dash, but still I am not find outing follow of T dash, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I am not find outing follow of T dash. First I have to find out what is the follow of T. What is your follow of T now? Because of I'm not closing the first of yes. What is the follow of T now?
Close parenthesis.
Parenthesis.
Close parenthesis. Is there any other? Or only
No,
one?
ma'am.
No,
Only
ma'am.
one. You can search all the three production. I am not get anywhere T. I got close parenthesis. Then I have to include, including this comma, I have to include close parenthesis also. Why close parenthesis? Because follow of second rule, this one, epsilon, then I have to write follow of T. Follow of T is close parenthesis, then I am writing follow of T is also in follow of yes. Dollar, comma, close parenthesis. There are three symbols. Dollar, comma, close. Don't confuse with this comma. This comma is different, that comma is different. Any doubt?
Ma'am, we should include also follow of T dash, no, ma'am.
Follow of
T dash.
Yeah. Follow of T dash, because I get one more is there, no? You search it. Find out what is follow of T dash. What is follow of T dash?
Close parenthesis.
Follow of T dash. Follow of T dash is epsilon. If it is follow of T
Epsilon.
dash is epsilon, it should be go to follow of T. Follow of
Yes,
T
ma'am.
is close parenthesis. You are coming for the third line. Follow of T dash is epsilon. Then follow of T dash. I am doing follow of T dash only close parenthesis. I already included close parenthesis in follow of yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it required once again?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
Then
ma'am.
it is this is end. Follow of S is over. Follow of T is over. Follow of T dash is over. Any doubt? Any doubt in this? So just I will check once again for the first. Follow of yes. What is the follow of yes? Because of start symbol, I insert dollar. Next, I have to find out follow of s in the right hand side. I got this as a follow of s. Follow of s is capital T dash. T dash is a non-terminal. I have to search for the first of this. The first of this is I have a two thing. One is comma and epsilon. Because of comma, I copied on these things. And epsilon is there. I don't want to copy it epsilon into the follow set. I had to come back to check anything is there in front of T dash. Because of epsilon, nothing should be there. It will pointing to head of the production of follow of T. Still, I am not compute follow of D. You have to go computation of the follow of T. Let me search for the follow of T. I got follow of T is close parenthesis. I am writing close parenthesis. See, in remaining two production, I am not getting close follow of T. That is only one symbol. Then I am searching for follow of yes. I'll get one more here T dash. Again, T dash is a non-terminal. I already copied on comma is over. Then because of epsilon, I have to see head of the production of the T dash. Head of the production of T dash is follow set. I have to compute follow set of T dash. I come to follow set of T dash. Follow set of T dash is what? The first line there is no T dash. Second line I have a T dash, but in front nothing. Then it should be copied follow of T. Follow of T is you computed close parenthesis. The same thing you copied on to follow of T dash also. Then I end with this. This is already included. Then no need to insert once again for the close parenthesis. Okay, this is for your follow set. Okay, this very important. See, still I require to understand two class for follow set. Then only I will move on to construction of parse.